During my career life in the beverage industry, I have seen that many of the quality and food safety issues could have been prevented. How? By following some basic GMP rules. So, what is GMP rules? Good manufacturing practices rules. So, in this video, I will share the 5 important GMP rules that every quality professionals in the food and beverage industry should know. So, welcome to Quality Insights with Gaffoor. Let us get started. So, rule number 1, personal hygiene. What is personal hygiene? Personal hygiene includes taking a proper bath before coming to the facility, production facility. Doing a proper hand washing before coming to the facility. So, if you are not following the personal hygiene properly, poor personal hygiene will lead to bring the microorganism and also result in the contamination of the production line. So, proper hand washing need proper training. In my experience, I noticed many of the new employees, they don't know how to do their hand wash properly. So, they need to give proper training for that purpose. So, as I told you before, GMP is the responsibility of each and every single person working in the manufacturing industry. So, personal hygiene is a part of GMP rule. It also protects our consumers. So, this is the first rule, basic GMP rule, personal hygiene. So, now coming to the rule number 2. Rule number 2 mainly is the wearing a proper protective clothing. That is called PPE, personal protective equipment. Example is wearing a hairnet one before entering to the facility. In my experience, I noticed many of the people are in a hurry. Once they are coming for work, they forget to wear the hairnet, and those people having beard, they are forget to wear beard cover. So all this is a part of basic GMP principle. So the wearing of hairnet, wearing of beard cover, all this is a part of GMP, and that's called personal protective equipment. So what is the importance of personal protection? This will protect our product from contamination, and at the same time it will protect our consumers. So this is the second GMP basic rule, PPE, wearing of personal protective equipments in a proper way. Now come to the rule number 3, cleaning and sanitation. What do you mean by cleaning and sanitation? Cleaning and sanitation mean every area that is come to in contact with our product should be cleaned thoroughly, even before and after the production. For example, in our industry, suppose the production finish, once every production finish, end of the shift, the filling machine, filler and the mixer should undergo CIP. A CIP is called clean in place, CIP. There are two different type of CIP, 3-step and 5-step CIP. That I will explain in my upcoming video. So, every equipment should be thoroughly clean and same time should do proper sanitation. Another example is in syrup room. In syrup room, each tank should be undergo a 5-step sanitation before making each batch of syrup. So, the lack of proper cleaning and sanitation, what will happen? That also will contaminate our product. It will also affect the safety of our products. So, this is a third GMP rule, cleaning and sanitation. The fourth one is documentation and record keeping. What is meant by documentation? Whatever the activities you are doing, especially personal hygiene, the checking of personal hygiene verification, that should be recorded weekly or bi-weekly. Whenever you are doing, all you need to be documented. Same time, if you are doing any CIP after production, that also should be documented at a proper time. What will happen if you are forget to document this one? Suppose if any safety issue is coming, we cannot track whether we not documented. So which day of production, why the CIP is not done, what is because of that it may affect the food safety problem. So whatever the activities you are doing should be recorded on time without any fail. Also, if you are doing any quality check from the production line, you have to be documented the same time during parallelly. Checking the CO2, checking the brakes, everything should be recorded on time. So that is the importance of documentation and record keeping. So this is also one of the important GMP rule. So come to the fifth rule. Fifth rule says following SOPs and discipline. What is SOP? Standard Operating Procedure. For any GMP method or for whatever the activities are doing, you have to follow proper SOP. And for example, if you are doing a CIP, 3-step or 5-step CIP, you need to follow the proper SOP for that CIP. So what will happen if you are not following the proper SOP and also don't keeping the discipline? If you are doing any shortcut for cleaning method, that also will affect the product quality. Also, it will contaminate the product. So that is very important. Following the SOP and keep the discipline is very important in the GMP. So there is no excuse for GMP, we can say. It's a very important part of the every manufacturing industry to protect our consumers, same time whether our product are produced hygienically, safely and consistently. So let us have a recap what we learned today as a part of GMP rules. The first one is keep proper personal hygiene, wear proper PPE, personal protective equipment, and do a proper cleaning and sanitation, and keep the proper document and record. Also follow the proper SOP and keep the discipline. So these are the 5 GMP rules we learned today. So I hope you understand all these 5 GMP rules and importance of good manufacturing practices. So if it is helpful for you, please like and subscribe to Quality Insights with Gaffoor and share it with your network in the beverage industry or in the food and beverage industry. I also like to hear from you, your feedback. Please comment in the comment box your opinion about my class, and if you have any doubt in the GMP, please ask in my comment box. So keep safe. We will see in my next video. Thank you.